we are going to make coconut protein balls. So first up, you'll need 35 grams of vanilla protein powder, 2.5 tablespoons of almond meal, 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Then add 1 tablespoon of rice malt syrup. Add 4 tablespoons of cashew nut butter. And just mix. You're going to love this. Then firmly roll into a ball. Then add some shredded coconut, roll them around, and there you have it. Protein coconut balls, easy, rustic, simple to do. You just needed 5 ingredients. And now for the taste test. Delicious. You can't go wrong with cashew nut, protein powder, coconut, and what else did I put in? Whatever was in the ingredients. This stuff is amazing. Don't forget to hit the like button and also press the plus to follow me for more fabulous ideas. Till next time, enjoy.